guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna do a quick updo of my hair before I head out to work. I actually go to the beauty supply store the other day and I pick up something that I wanted, gel, more of a strong old gel, but since we have the locks I don't really use gel into my hair, but since I'm not re-locking it, I want something to kind of hold in all of them body area. So I buy a gel, I'm gonna buy a ear food, whichever one you want to call it. So come here, let me look about there, two things. So this is the one that I was using before, the ear food. So it's called Blue Magic Organics. This one is the same thing about it? No, and the same thing. Herbal ear and scalp conditioner with herbs you actually can see. Made with green tea leaf, jojoba, I think, aloe vera, and star flower. I have no idea what this was. Indian hemp. And this one is completely done. So I decided, say, you know what, I need one more. And it smells good too. So I need one more. So I decided, say, okay, let me buy one more. So I got this one instead. There you go. So I got this one instead. It's the same brand, Blue Magic Organics, for natural styles, hair and scalp conditioner. Less breakage means longer hair. Made with shea butter, jojoba, I think jojoba oil, and Japanese green tea. So there's one more ingredients into this. So this is and it smells good as well. It smells different from the other one. See if you can see it. So that's how it look. Smell different from the other one. So let me try out this one and see how it is. So the main thing I went there for, at the beauty supply for, was a gel. Yes, so the only thing that I had in mind was the jam, but I don't really like using the jam. But I said, okay, let me see if I can look for something that is a little bit more better for me here. And me see the eco. A lot of people do review and stuff about the eco, and me say, okay, let me see if I can look for one. So I saw the base eco style of gel, and I say, okay, let me buy this. And then before I buy that one, me come up and I see this different type of eco style of gel. If you can see it. Okay, so this one, it says it has black castor oil and flaxseed into it. Contains vitamin E, fiber, and omega, alcohol free. That is good. So it says shines, nourishes, repairs, and grows. No flake, no tack, and it's anti-itch. And this one is max old and max shine 100. So I'm assuming that this is really strong. So I say, okay, let me try this. At least it have a little bit more. And this one is this is new. This is a new product as well. And this is all the top part. Look. I'm not coming for the fake a bit. Yeah, that's all the top part. Look, I'm gonna say, yeah, let me try it. Eco-friendly, pure eco style, free of sulfur, alcohol, vegan safe, cruelty free, safe for daily use, non-toxic, made with love in the USA for all hair types. I'm say, okay, alright. So we pick up this. So I pick it up. I think this was $4.95. This one is cheaper than the ear food, the oil food. And so I pick up this and let me try it, because this I need a gel for just holding all of them somewhere. And now watch this. I'm gonna style it right about now. I'm gonna show you how this gel oil actually. But before that, we will put in some of the oil food into it. Now I don't know fancy style either.
yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about. Have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Guys, this is how it look. Not really impressed with the gel. Maybe because we need to type, but anyways, may have to head out to work, so I don't have time for that. Could tie it and drive and when we reach our place, but not time for that. So this is how it look. I'm trying to do a little thing on the side. You can see right here, so the gel now only thing I don't want to put no more gel in it. But that's a whole of gel. And this is how the back look. This side. And that's how it look. I need to color up my hair, I need to retwist my hair, but for now I don't want to retwist it yet. But anyway, this is how it really look. I'm probably gonna try to find one different gel, but oh, bless me. One more cup. Oh, bless me. Thank you for whoever said bless me. Yes, but this is how it is, and this is the Eco Styler gel. This is the black castor oil and the flaxseed type of Eco Styler gel, and that's about it. Yeah, that's about it, man, and that's how it look. Maybe a close up. Yeah, my hair them kind of look flying same way as maybe they need for just tie down. But anyway, this is it, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, comment down below. What do you think? Have you ever used an Eco Styler before? What brand, other gel you jam gel, whatever you recommend for a good hold for natural hair? Put it down below, let me know, and tell me if you have ever used the Eco and how it performed with you and what type you ever use. So that's about it now. So I'll see you in my other video, and told me see you again when I always say later.